Hello and welcome back to all our amazing Sepi Food family. Today we're going to make one of Italy's most beloved and comforting dishes, chicken and mushroom risotto. It's a rich, creamy, and flavorful meal that brings the authentic taste of Italian cuisine right to your table. Stay with us until the end as we make this delicious recipe step by step. Let's get started. To begin, take one large onion and finely dice it. Sauté it in a little oil until it becomes soft, translucent, and lightly golden, releasing its wonderful aroma. This simple step creates the rich flavor base for our creamy risotto. Once the onions are soft and lightly golden, finely chop 2 cloves of garlic and add them to the pan. Sauté for another minute or two, just until the garlic becomes fragrant and blends beautifully with the onions. This aromatic combination is the secret to a rich and flavorful Italian risotto. Now it's time for the star ingredient, mushrooms. Slice a generous amount of fresh mushrooms and add them to the pan. Sauté them over medium heat until all the moisture has evaporated and they develop a beautiful golden color. This step brings out their rich, earthy flavor and makes the risotto even more delicious. Now it's time for the most important part of the dish, adding the risotto rice. Add the rice to the pan and sauté it for a couple of minutes with the onions, garlic, and mushrooms. This allows the grains to lightly toast and absorb all the wonderful flavors, creating the rich, creamy texture that makes an authentic risotto so special. Now, add the chicken stock and gently stir everything together. Let the risotto cook over low heat for about 20 minutes, allowing the rice to become tender and creamy while absorbing all the rich flavors. Now, cut the chicken breast into even bite-sized cubes. Melt a little butter in a pan and sauté the chicken over medium heat until it's golden on the outside and juicy on the inside. The butter adds a rich aroma and enhances the authentic flavor of the risotto. Now it's time for the secret to an authentic Italian risotto: Parmesan cheese. Finely grate about 100 grams of Parmesan and add it to the rice, mushroom, and onion mixture. Stir well until the cheese melts completely and blends into the risotto, creating its signature creamy texture and rich, savory flavor. Once the cheese has completely melted and combined with all the ingredients, our delicious risotto is ready to be served. A creamy, aromatic, and incredibly tasty dish that brings the true taste of Italy to every bite. I hope you try making this famous and delicious Italian dish at home and enjoy its amazing flavor. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. To watch and learn delicious recipes from different countries, make sure to subscribe to Sepi Food and check out our other videos as well. Hope to see you again in our next videos. I love you all.